first is causes of chemical combination. So the causes of chemical combination is the main thing we need to understand in the chemistry. We know that chemical combination is here for the formation of new compounds and to carry out the chemical reactions. But what is the main cause behind this combination? That we need to understand the causes of chemical combination. As I have already given you a hint kind of thing that the combination can be done because the atom combine with each other to be stable. The main reason is to be stable. So here you have seen there, written over there, the atom combine with each other to obtain inert gas configuration and become stable. It can be done in three ways. So very important thing to understand कि combination is happening over here. So the cause of combination is to be stable. क्या main reason है? कोई भी element, कोई भी atoms are trying to be, किसी भी element के atoms, they are trying to be go for the chemical combination. So why they are going for the chemical combination? To be stable. For example, we are the people, we also want to be stable. We want to all the requirement which are necessary to the fulfillment of our livelihood. So we guys are always try to approach those things. So same is the thing, they are also approaching the things that is the main thing to be stable like inert gases. उनका क्या main reason है stable होना like inert gases? उसी के लिए क्या किया जा रहा है? Chemical combination किया जा रहा है. तो there are three ways for chemical combination. First of all, by losing one or more electron. Another by gaining one or more electron. Either atom can lose or gain electron to be stable. Another one is by sharing one or more electron. So three important ways are there to be stable for an atom. One is by losing electron, by gaining electron, second one. Third one is by sharing of electrons. It may be one or more than one. So example, if we can see here, in case of gaining and losing electron, the kind of the valency is called as electrovalency. When particular atom is going to lose its electron or gain electron from someone else of the atom, then the kind of the valency is called as electrovalency. Fine. Another by sharing of one or more electron, the kind of the valency is covalency. I have make you guys remind कि हमने कब किया था? हमने valency का topic किया था. We have done valency and at that time I have told you guys कि valency is very important in chemistry. तो valency क्या है? The combining capacity, this is a rewind for you, combining capacity of an atom. Or we can also say the number of valence electron in the outermost shell. तो outermost shell में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है they are governing the valency because outermost shell के इलेक्ट्रॉन ही what they are going to, for example ये हमारे पास एटम का स्ट्रक्चर है, here proton, here neutron, electrons are here. तो innermost पे नहीं जाएंगे हम कहाँ जाएंगे? outermost को अप्रोच करेंगे. जो चीज easily approachable है, which is going to be approach easily, we are going to do the sharing of or losing or gaining of electron with that particular thing. तो यहाँ पे we are going to approach outermost electron. तो this is the valency. If it is having 2 electron in its valence shell, so this is the valency. Fine, I have done this in detail. We have done that in detail in the previous chapter. Tabular form representation of the atom along with elements, along with the symbol, atomic number, valency, and the distribution of electron. So you need to go for that if you guys are having any kind of doubt. But still I am clearing you guys. valency क्या है? number of the electron जो क्या है उसके valence shell में है. और यहाँ पे क्या एक थोड़ा सा क्या था जिसमें हमें समझना होता है valency को. For example, अगर बात करी जाए सोडियम की, atomic number is 11. तो electron first is 2, 8 then 1. तो what it can do one thing, इसको क्या करना है? स्टेबिलिटी में आना है. तो it can be stable if it is having 2 and 8 electron, its valence shell only, and this 1 electron it can lose. तो ये कैसे स्टेबल हो सकता है? By losing. And when they are losing electron, they are called as electrovalent. फाइन. और लूज करके क्या चार्ज आता है बेटा इसके ऊपर? पॉजिटिव. जब क्या हो गया? सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर Z हो गया, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया. सेम इज द केस वी हैव डन विद क्लोरीन. क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17. तो 2, 8, 7. यहाँ पे वैलेंस शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 7. तो वी कांट से दैट कि वैलेंसी इज 7. इसकी वैलेंसी क्या होगी? कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी. द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ क्लोरीन इज हियर. इट रिक्वायर ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू बी स्टेबल. It require only 1 electron to be stable. And when it required, the requirement है, then this is anion. Minus charge should be there on the head of chlorine, and that is the -1 electron it is taking for the +1 electron it is taking for the completion of its octet. अगर ये एक electron gain करेगा, it will be 2, 8, 8. It will be stable. So it would be stable by gaining 1 electron, and sodium will be stable by losing 1 electron. So this is the example of electrovalency. And in case of covalency, we guys can see covalency is the sharing of electron. Sharing of electron में we can see, for example, I can give the example of methane, CH4. That is a natural gas. Methane में 2 elements are there, 2 atoms of the two elements के atom जो हैं they are combining with each other. तो carbon is atomic number 6 and hydrogen is with the atomic number 1. So if we are going to distribute the electron in case of carbon 2 and 4 and hydrogen is 1 only. So in case of 4 we have done as the time when we have done valency, when 4 is the number in the outermost shell, the combining capacity is 4, that particular atom is going with the covalency. So what is going here, we are representing 4 electron of carbon like this, to ease of the understanding, and 4 hydrogen. You can see hydrogen is not 4, hydrogen is not 1, hydrogens are 4. So one hydrogen is here, another hydrogen is here, then another hydrogen is here, then another hydrogen is here. When it is going with the sharing of the electron, what can do? Hydrogen required to be stable. Hydrogen is also required to be stable, but how it can be stable? By approaching the electronic gas configuration of nearest noble gas of it. तो इसका nearest noble gas which one is? Helium. Atomic number is 2. So it is required only 1 electron to be stable. So it is going with the sharing. ये electron जो 1 carbon का है, it is sharing with hydrogen like this. Like this. Hydrogen, 4 hydrogen का क्या complete हो रहा है बच्चे अपने पास? Duplet. 4 of the hydrogens are completing its duplet, but carbon is required to be completed octet. तो कार्बन क्या कर रहा है? चारों का जो एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको अपने पास रख रहा है. कार्बन का कंप्लीट हो रहा है ऑक्टेट एंड हाइड्रोजन का कंप्लीट हो रहा है डुप्लेट. So this is the sharing of the electron. Fine. So this is very important thing we need to understand, that whensoever elements are undergoing combination, the main reason of combination is to be stable, and for getting to be stable, the atoms are undergoing different kind of the processes. 3 main kind of the valencies we are getting with electrovalency by losing electron, again electrovalency by gaining of electron. In the case of sodium and chlorine, I have given you example, and in case of sharing of electron, it is going with the covalency. Fine. So covalency I have given you example of methane, where same atom are going to share the electrons with each other. Different atoms are going to share the electrons with each other to complete their nearest noble gas configuration.